unveiling of Wiper Party leader Kalonzo Musyoka's presidential platform and fundraising drive in Nairobi provided a platform for fresh calls to address the growing wave of unrest in schools across the country. The Wiper leader is demanding a comprehensive audit. Also launched a campaign website that doubles as a fundraising platform for his 2027.
A mandatory national safety and audit of every boarding school dormitory in Kenya, accompanied by enforceable deadlines and criminal liability for non-compliance. Secondly, a fully funded national school mental health program. These incidents are not only about physical infrastructure, they are also about emotional well-being. Students are raising concerns about living conditions, about food quality, about mental health pressures. I repeat, mental health pressures, inadequate resolution, conflict or grievance resolution mechanisms, an environment where they often feel unheard. Yet, the response has remained largely reactive.